a standard ported clam.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Well, my name is Harry, Team Area 51. Rebuild from the last time y'all guys have seen this. Last time it was sealed, now it's ported. Still the same SA-15s. Just the only big difference is you got a 190 amp hour C-Max back there. Got two Brand X 400s unregulated at 16. Changed the door panels up and got rid of the TS5Ks in here and got four Nendo 4Ks, 1.33.
Wow. 0.3?
1.3.
Oh, 1.3, okay.
Okay, wow. And I'm gonna switch these out to dual 4s, and I'll wire the amps down to 0.66 with the new saw parts when they come, when I can get some money up.
How many years have these subs been going on for?
Yeah.
A while?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have one in here that I know is at least 4 years old.
Man, okay. And this is like a Clam-Shell 6 there. What do you call it?
Just a standard ported clam.
Ported clam, okay.
That's it.
Very nice.
Tuned around 32, 33.
Okay.
Meters at 42, 43, depending on if the truck's open or closed. Street plays 22 to 29. With the doors open, or with the windows open, doors shut. Doors open, windows down, 29 and up, it'll play it.
Oh, okay. So you'll be able to adjust depending on how you have your system with your vehicle, with the windows and the doors open. Okay. Nice. The bandwidth sounds pretty good then.
It's pretty out there.
Okay. What was the SPL you got out of this?
Best I've gotten out of it so far, it'll do a 57 and change about where your phone's sitting at.
Wow. Okay, that's great, man. Awesome. I'm love to hear it, man.
And I've done just over a 53 out the window.
Okay. Sweet.
And like I said, I can play like 29 to 31. And I can open both doors.
Really? Wow. Okay. Awesome, man. Let's take a picture real quick. Is that okay?
Right here on the back side.
Backside. Lift up. Okay. There we go. Wow. That was good. How was that? Was that great? Pretty cool to see a clamshell like that.
I love it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's awesome. Old school.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
What's happening, Jake? Long time no see, man.
Nice to see you again, man.
Last time you seen this truck, it had a steel clamshell and a C5K.
Yes. It's been a while. Okay.
It's been a long while.
Wow. Whoa.
Yeah, it took a big change.
Nice. All right.
Back to where we were this last summer, it sounded pretty good.
Okay.
We'll get a little wind air shit here.
It gets windier than that. Wow. Man.
Yeah, I got a USB that I stole from Hayden's bikes.
Okay. Insane.
This is 22 to 24 to give you an idea.
22 to 24. Okay. constant clear bass. Really windy too, man.
Yeah, don't
Wow.
get bad.
That did great. That's crazy. 22 to 20. Man, that was brutal windy for the lows. It has good cone control too. Thank you very much, man.
And it'll do it all day long.
All day. That keeps it efficient too. Nice to meet you again. Your name? Harry. Nice to see you.
Man, good to give you a demo again.
You too. You're welcome. I appreciate it, man.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop